Welcome back to Tech Tip Tuesday. We have Andy Yoder back with us, our field service engineer, and we're going to talk today, what recommendations do you have when creating a workspace?
The best recommendations I can make is to have a bench that can suitify the actual weight of an instrument or the depth of an instrument, because we commonly see benches that are just either too small or too undersized to handle the equipment.
So if you had an LCMS like this, you
Right.
probably want something much larger than for an HPLC.
Yeah, typically an HPLC will be a lot shorter than a mass spec, but being in the mass specs are basically anywhere from 38 inches to 45 inches deep, so it could vary definitely upon the instrumentation.
Okay, great recommendation. Is there anything else you would like to add?
When you're considering a bench space too, it's really nice to have room behind the instrument or even behind the bench so you can get behind it and access anything that may need to be serviced, or add more instrumentation later on. And it's just nice to have access back there to even check for leaks, cleaning. That's about it.
Okay, those are great tips. Thanks, Andy.
You're welcome.
Thanks for joining us. See you next week for another Tech Tip Tuesday.